Today it's the 4th of May 2022. We have a Pukinmäenkaari boxmatkabog in 3 to 5 stages here in Malmi, close to Pukinmäki boxmatka here in Helsinki. It's the first Finland, Finland. This residential building was finished in 1993, maybe late 93. Turning 30 years old in next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. This is still completely original because, as they say, they have upgraded it with those pad bottles and new trawlers, but here's the original. Its number is 67490 and the capacity is 4 persons of 325 grams with 4 force, and it has 2 rides.
Yeah. Expected device maintained by Spanish.
No full memory because it's an early model.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of it. I like the sounds in here.
Same. That's